these pipes are rubbish. And today we're working on the Nissan Skyline. So obviously there's a coolant leak on two of the pipes. It's a matrix heater. These two right there, 1 and 2, and they go all the way around. But get straight to it. Started to get everything out of the unit, make it more cleaner. Got the office space ready as well. That's the situation. We're just trying to make things a lot more nicer. Now that we've got some of the cars out of the way, we don't need these OEM Nissan ones. Oh, Bruce Motorsport! Thanks! So this video is sponsored by Bruce Motorsport, and they provided me with these coolant matrix heater pipes for the Skyline. And you can get yourself these on eBay. With Hoodstick discount code, you can get 20% off the price on eBay. Nice colour, because we've got blue pipes as well. It's pretty decent, isn't it? So this is the top one which wasn't leaking, so it looks perfectly fine. OEM Nissan. We're going to take the shield off and put it onto the new ones for the downpipe. All the abuse that it took, it just gave up now.
All straight through.
Wow. Shut. Out with the old, in with the new. Thank you again for making these parts. They call him the pipe man because basically he can design any sort of coolant hose pipe that you want for your car. He's your man. It's just gonna set the whole engine bay apart. Jubilee clamps as well. Oh yeah, proper heavy durable
High grip stainless.
Oh my god, it looks so different. The engine stands out a lot more. Adds another 100 brake horsepower that has. Bruce Motorsport, and grab yourself some of those. And it's lifetime guarantee as well. I'm gonna start the car off and see if there's any leaks. Cleared up the runway. Gosh, I'm in love with this car. Thanks to Bruce Motorsport, the car is fixed. And just like that, the Skyline is out the unit. There's a bit of smoke coming out of the downpipe. It's still wet, it's just drying out. The Skyline is due a wash for a car show as well. We gotta take all this stuff out of the Skyline, even the drag wheels. So we started off with cleaning the interior, removing the driver's seat, installing fire extinguishers, and gave the car a general tidy up. So in order to get this part of the Skyline, it's absolutely horrendous, yeah. A lot of people put modifications in this car in such ways that they put like triple bolts everywhere. So just give you a bit of an example, right? You got a bolt right there, you got a bolt right there, you got a bolt right there, and a couple of bolts right there, and across there, and all across the top. But we're gonna make it. We had to remove the side skirts, but then after doing this, the wing was also attached to the front bumper. In order for us to get to the headlights, we had to take the front bumper and the wings off at the same time because they were bolted together. You just couldn't take them apart. Well, if I take this off, the light comes off and the wing comes off. Well, I don't know actually, because this is connected, these two, and boy, they are just never going to come off. Basically, we got the front bumper and the wing off together at the same time, which you'll see right here. And so right now, we're getting the headlights refurbished, and we're just going to give the car a quick detail. Tap shows in 12 hours. Let's see how we get on. That's one wheel off, let's go! After this, we decided to clean both front arches along with the coilovers, front toe, control arms and the calipers. We then used clay bar. The clay bar's job is to remove the embedded contaminants like water spots, brake dust, metal dust and industrial pollution. Oof. Mad, isn't it? This Skyline, since we owned it, I'd say we had this Skyline for about 4 years. This is the first ever deep cleans ever got, so you can see the amount of dirt's coming out. And then we finished the Skyline with Maguire's car polish. Jap show, here we come. We also gave the engine bay a deep clean too. Whilst the headlights were out, we also restored them using wet sand, 600, 800, 1000 and then a Maguire's compound, which I must say came out brilliantly. And just like that, the bumper and the wing is all back together. The Skyline's going to be ready to go on. Oh, I forgot. So I guess that's the last part of the Skyline. After all this effort, the Skyline looks completely different. I'm actually beyond words with how well it come out. It made me think, what if we spent a few days detailing the Skyline and how it would look? I think it's time for us to take a test drive. But so far so good. The Skyline's looking quite positive for Jap show tomorrow. Let's keep it rolling tonight and get some fuel. I'm actually really excited tomorrow to see what this car does in Jap show. See what £60 can get us in the Skyline today. I'll hold on tight, don't worry. That is mad. That is mad, man. My eyes are gone. Next time we're linking, I'm gonna have a bike, bro. Man, I would. I'll follow you, yeah? You sure? Yeah. Oh my god. It's looking mad tonight. So good to have the Skyline back now. Just in case if fire happens in the Skyline, we're sorted, innit? Kicking out. All the way up. Whoa! Hey, I'm gonna see the feds, I am. I'm gonna see the feds as well.
Yes, Adam Alziz.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh my life. But I'm wild jealous of this.
When I opened it and it was all signed and
Oh
that,
wow.
I was like, buzzing.
Whoa.
What's the motor
It's
on?
in the steering wheel and that.
Oh my life.
Where's it from?
Wow, the whole car shakes now.
Bro, I need engine power.
And if you have to, you'll be like that and you rev it up a bit sometimes so it kicks out even more.
Yeah.
You got this in the bag, bro. Fair play, man. I'm jealous. I
know,
didn't even notice this.
If you ever sell that steering wheel, I've got first dibs.
Yeah, me
Hey,
too.
£2 you can have it.
They're sold out, isn't it? That short shifter as well. Short shifter.
Yeah.
Pass. That is mad. Okay. So we made it back to the HQ to end this video. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Look after your family. Take care of yourself. I'll see you guys next video. Farewell, dear Hoodstigs.